Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove pimple on Snapseed application. Snapseed's healing tool is a great way to remove pimples from your photo, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open up Snapseed application from your app drawer. Tap the plus button on the screen and go to your device's camera roll and select a picture where you have a pimple in it. Once you import a picture with pimples, go and tap on the Tools option at the bottom. Now, scroll down and click on the Healing option. Zoom into your picture and then tap on the area you want to remove the pimples from. Once you give a simple tap on the area, and Snapseed will sample the surrounding skin texture and blend it over the blemish. Simply go ahead and tap on the area you need to remove the pimples from, and you will be able to get rid of pimples using the healing tool on Snapseed. If the result isn't perfect, you can always adjust. Zoom in further and get those pimple marks, or try tapping it from a slightly different direction. And after you are done with it, you will be able to get your result. Tap on the tick mark at the bottom right after you are finished in order to save your changes. Finally, export your picture by tapping export at the bottom right. Select one of the save options, and that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.